Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Valerie, your practical decorator, helping you to make it home. My plan lesson today is to make a simple, straightforward cover. This is the length. What I've done is measured from this end here right back to the next. The width I measured from this side all the way back to this side. I've also measured the seat of the Ottoman. So those are the measurements that we will be working with. So let's get started. Before we cut into the fabric, we need to also add increments for our hem. I will be doing a 1-inch double hem, which means that I will need 2 inches on this side and 2 inches on this side. Also for the width, 2 inches on the one side and 2 inches on the other side. So it's 53, that's a length, inches plus 4 inches. That's 57 inches. Our width is 36 plus 4 inches. That's 40 inches. That is our width. So we are ready to cut our fabric 40 by 57. The next thing we're going to do is measure off for the length. However, because I have already gone ahead and fold the fabric, it means that instead of using 36.5 inches, I'm going to divide that by 2 and I'm going to measure off 18.25 inches. Now go ahead and I'll use my straight edge to connect both marks from side to side, all the way across. Next, I am going to fold my fabric again. We have already dealt with the length. Now we are going to do the width. And because I have folded my fabric, instead of you measuring off 19.5, I'm going to measure off 9.75 inches. I am going to connect these 2 marks. However, I just need to intersect with this line, so I don't have to take it all the way up across here. So I'll just stop where the mark intersects. So we have a box in the corner here. Now is cut out the box in the corner following the chalk line. have cut out in one swoop, we have cut out the 4 corners of the fabric panel. Our next step is to butt the corners up together, just like so, and stitch along here. Now I am just doing my stitch a 1/4 inch from the edge, and also what I've done is I've a curve at the top here, just so that the corners are not like very pointed and they're more curved. So next we are going to do a 1-inch double hem. Friends, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please drop your thoughts below. I'd really like to get that feedback. Please share with somebody and give me those thumbs up. They help to get the video in front of more people. If you have not yet subscribed, do me a favor and hit that subscription button before you go. Or I hope you don't go. I hope you stick around and check out some more of the videos. But yeah, also turn on the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos like this and many more. Check out the membership. Sending you guys lots of love and appreciation. You take care now. I'll see you in the next video.